Did you know you can earn a lot of money from YouTube? There are actually many ways to earn money on YouTube, and in this video, we will explore how you can do so. You might have heard YouTubers who are millionaires and those who have given up work to focus on their channel. Well, it's all true, and you can do the same. What we want to do today is explain how you can earn money from YouTube and what are the realistic expectations. The first thing you need is a YouTube channel. Sounds obvious, but as a YouTube creator, you need a channel to create content. This can be created for free. Next, you must come up with a channel niche. This is your area of focus. It could be photography, history, gaming, or anything you want. That is the beauty of YouTube. You have the power to create videos in the form you want. Our advice? Pick a subject area that you are passionate about, as you will be creating a lot of videos and you don't want to become bored, as you may give up. Next, you need to create videos that are engaging and interesting to your viewers. This is key, as you want your viewers to turn into subscribers. You have to give them what they want and regularly, so they keep coming back to your channel. YouTube favors consistency, so keep making great content and upload on a weekly basis. On 1 to 2 videos, but keep the quality high. A combination of your content and subscriber base will be your key to monetization success. Your objective is to keep people engaged and on YouTube for longer. You figure this out and you will be rewarded. So, how do you actually earn money? There are 3 ways of making money from YouTube: through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. How does affiliate marketing work on YouTube? Affiliate marketing is a form of internet marketing in which a person earns income by referring traffic to a particular site where they then purchase a product or service. Affiliate marketers make money when they refer visitors to the company's site, and those people buy something, including the affiliate marketer, if the referral is tied to any particular product or service. On YouTube, you have an area known as a description box. This is underneath the video. In here, you write relevant information related to the video content. For example, if you have a photography channel and are reviewing the top 10 cameras this year, then you may promote affiliate links in the description to the products you are talking about. These links are tracked, so if a user clicks on a Canon camera link, they will be directed to a site like Amazon to purchase the camera. If the user actually buys the camera, you earn a percentage on the sale in commission. This is the principle of affiliate marketing and can be applied to many products and services. Affiliate marketing requires you as the content creator to drive traffic. Over time, your videos and channel will become more popular and more people will come to visit your affiliate links. Affiliate marketing is one of the ways to earn money from YouTube without having a monetized channel. What is a monetized channel? A monetized channel simply means your channel is eligible to feature ads that in turn you will earn money from. However, in order to earn money, there are requirements that have to be met. Specifically, the new requirements are as follows. You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of total watch time within a 12-month period, or 40,000 video views on all your videos, even if they don't meet the other criteria. So, in order to show ads, YouTube needs to see if what you are creating has an engaged following. What are YouTube ads? YouTube ads are a tool to help creators monetize their content. YouTube allows a creator to run ads before, during, and after their video for viewers watching with an ad-supported account. YouTube ads are the best if you've already built up something of a following on your channel. The amount of how much you will make can depend on how many views your video gets. There's a lot of things that go into how much you get paid each view, but the average is $2 to $5 per 1,000 views. What is sponsorship on YouTube? Sponsorship is a form of advertising where somebody pays for any video content posted on YouTube. For example, if you are reviewing cameras, either Sony or even a camera case might want to pay you to create content, as they know you are talking to their target audience. This requires you to have a substantial following, so much so that you are an authority in your sector. How long does it take to get monetized on YouTube? The short answer is not quickly. There are some freak scenarios, like if you have a viral video, you will gain a lot of traction quickly, but the odds are incredibly slim, and then YouTube has to approve your channel. The honest answer is something like a year to meet the eligibility requirements. That being said, you can make money from day one with affiliate marketing. What YouTube likes. YouTube likes quality and engaging content. It wants viewers to come and stay and keep watching videos. Our tip: pick a niche. Do research on what people want to watch and upload consistently. There is no shortcut to success, and it can take a long time to earn money. And when you do earn money, don't expect to be rich. It is a gradual process that you invest time and energy into and will be rewarded. It's a long-term game, and that's why many give up. We have actually built several other channels, and we can tell you there is no shortcut. Once you gain traction, you must look at the data found in the Creator Studio. This is where you will upload and can edit your videos. Look for patterns in the analytics, see where viewers are most engaged and what content they like the most. When a theme emerges, make more of what works. You might want to have a channel that showcases your knowledge across all areas of a particular field. But chances are that your audience in the early days wants something very specific. So double down on what works and prepare yourself for a winding road to YouTube success. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more weekly videos on how to earn money online.